Currency and prices. Currencies. When traders buy and sell currency pairs, they are trading Forex. Every currency pair is constantly in a price struggle with the other currencies. The exchange rate to another currency varies according to the relative strengths of the two currencies at the time of trade. Trades are specified as two currencies against each other. As an example, if you were trading the pound against the US dollar, it would be displayed as GBP USD, and the price is a reflection of the relative strength of the two currencies expressed as the number of USD needed to buy 1 unit of GBP. Major currency pairs is a term for the leading currencies freely traded globally, and is made up of the 7 major currencies and their relative pricing to the USD. Major currency pairs are the most liquid and most commonly traded by Forex day traders. You may be wondering why the Chinese currency is not reflected in the list of major currency pairs, and this is largely because it is not freely traded. However, most Forex brokers will allow you to trade the Chinese currency. The renminbi is the official currency of the People's Republic of China. Renminbi translates to people's money, and its international symbol is RMB with the symbol yuan. Confusingly, you will also see the symbol CNY standing for Chinese yuan. The reason for this is that the units of renminbi, the dollars and cents if you will, are yuan and jiao, and as a result, the currency is often referred to as the Chinese yuan, abbreviated CNY. The currency providers that do not involve USD are called cross-currency pairs, or crosses. Some individuals also call these the miners. There are 3 major cross-currency pairs: the euro, the pound, and the yen. Euro crosses, pound crosses, yen crosses. Other crosses. Emerging market currencies. There are also currencies of emerging countries called emerging currencies. When you pair a major currency with an emerging currency, it is termed an exotic currency pair. Some brokers don't offer exotic currency pairs, but if they do, there are usually higher transaction costs involved, and the spread between the bid and ask prices may be wider. Price. As you trade more frequently and become more familiar with the trading ranges of the pairs you trade, you will train your mind to understand the changes in the pricing of your trading pairs quickly, and will be able to make a quick assessment of where in the range the price is. In order to obtain this, first you need to understand how to read the price of a currency. If you want to buy a currency such as €1, you must know how much of another currency you are going to have to pay for it. For example, Euro, USD, 1.1250. This example states that €1 can be purchased for 1.125 USD. This signifies the average of prices to buy and sell at that point in time. This is often called the mid price, because it is the midpoint between the buy and sell price. Remember that you still need to work in the bid-ask spread, which is the fee you have to pay to buy or sell the currency. On major currency pairs, the bid-ask spread is usually very low, but in times where the price is moving widely, brokers often widen the spread to protect their own positions. There are several aspects that influence the market, such as the hour of the day of the week, time of year. But the biggest single aspect that affects pricing is the release of economic news events. These news events upset the market's assessment of the relative strength of the currencies. When this happens, the quoted price can move up or down significantly in seconds. For this reason, as you become more experienced, you will refine your attention to only a few pairs that you trade, and you will keep your attention on the economic calendar provided by your broker to see what events coming up may have a significant impact on your trading position. Pips. The word pip is an abbreviation of point in percentage and is a very small measure of change in a currency pair. When talking about pips, traders are referring to the last decimal place of a quote, so that if the EUR USD moves from 1.1250 to 1.1270, we would say it has moved 20 pips. You will note that most currency pairs are quoted to 4 decimal places, and pips are measured in that last decimal place. But some pairs, like pairs including the Japanese yen, are only quoted to 2 decimal places. Where the pair is quoted in 2 decimal places, then a pip again refers to the last decimal place. Another term is a pipette. These are fractional pips and are used when a broker quotes currency pairs that have more than 4 decimal points. So if EUR USD is at 1.25548, and a 2 pipettes advance takes place, then the pair will be at 1.25550. So the 5th decimal digit in a platform represents pipettes.